I mentioned, there are 12 sponsors. I now request a representative of EW Nutrition to please come and tell us about EW. Anybody from EW Nutrition?
A very good evening to the very few ladies and all the gentlemen present here. I feel really privileged to be present among all you eminent personalities here. I am Paridhi Gupta, and on behalf of EW Nutrition family, I welcome all of you here in this lovely evening. I would just take around 5 to 7 minutes of your time in an attempt around 5 minutes of the time in an attempt to tell you about the scale and scope of my company. Well, change is one constant factor in this world, and as we have been talking about how the industries, even the poultry industry is changing, there are a few companies which create this change, while there are a few companies who adapt to this change, and success and failure completely depends on the approach. But the key here is innovation, and one of my very favorite examples in this context is that of smartphones. I'm sure all of us here associate to the fact how we have switched from using the earlier very popular Nokias to the current smartphones and iPhones today. So you see, the key is innovation, and at EW Nutrition we innovate. But we innovate by relying on science, and hence our motto, functional innovations backed by science. We are EW Group, named after our founder, Mr. Eric Westjahan, and hence Eric Westjahan Group, which is a family-owned business and has been in existence since last 80 years. In the picture here, you will see Mr. Eric Westjahan sitting in the center very proudly. Okay, I think the laser pointer isn't working. So he's sitting here in the center very proudly, and proud because he started with this very small poultry farm in Germany, and today we are a global conglomerate with a number of companies under EW Group into 4 verticals of animal genetics, food products, animal health, and animal nutrition. To give you a small idea about a few companies that are present in the EW Group, we have Aviagen, which is the world's leading poultry genetics company headquartered in the USA. We have Aquagen, which is another leading company, and it is the world's leading Atlantic salmon and rainbow trout breeder, which is headquartered in Norway. We have a company called Vaccinova, which is a provider of diagnostics as well as autogenous vaccines, and it has acquired EZO and has taken over its entire poultry vaccines line, which is headquartered in Italy. Under animal nutrition vertical, we have IRIG, the Immunology Research Institute in Gifu in Japan, which is the only institute functioning in immunology, and it has its own manufacturing facility. We then have GRASP, which is headquartered in Curitiba, Brazil, and one unique thing about this company is that it has its own farm-to-fork manufacturing facility to ensure the best of the quality. And ladies and gentlemen, we have EW Nutrition, which is headquartered in Bremen, Germany. This is the fastest growing and the youngest member of the EW Group. We are headquartered in Germany, but we are present globally. And what drives us to be present and serve our customers everywhere is our vision. We plan to be the leading solution provider to ensure profitability both for our customers as well as our producers by reducing the dangerous substances that are there in agriculture, animal agriculture, by reducing the overuse and the misuse of antibiotics that is currently a lot in trend, and also to make sure that the environment is eco-friendly for all. But our key value I want to emphasize again is functional innovations backed by science. And we want to ensure safe and healthy food for our customers' customers, and ensure improved profitability for all, as well as a sustainable business model for our customers and our producers as well. Some key facts that I would like to tell you about EW Nutrition. We are a basic producer of natural solutions. And to prove our credibility of providing the best solutions, we also have a GMP Plus certification. Well, the real proof, apart from the certification, is our growing popularity. We are now expanded to more than 72 countries worldwide. But another reason of expanding to so many countries worldwide is that we believe in being close to our customers. We have subsidiaries all over the world. We have research centers as well as production sites in Germany, in Brazil, in Japan, and in USA. We want to make sure that we provide to our customers efficiently, both technically as well as logistically. And hence our global product line, which is also available in India, provides solutions in two basic sections, in feed efficiency solutions and in toxin control solutions. So I will just give you a rough idea about the various products that we have in the solutions that we provide. We have the Activo product line in the feed efficiency solutions with two variants, Activo in feed and Activo liquid, as well as we have the Master Saw product line in the toxin control solutions. So Activo in feed, this is a micro-encapsulated product which ensures slow and gradual release of its components, and these components are a blend of secondary plant compounds, essential oils, herbs and spices. And all of these products work synergistically to give a triple action of improved digestibility, of bactericidal properties as well as the antioxidant properties, which ultimately ensure a better shelf life of the meat. But what is the benefit to our customers of using this product? Well, they have three very important benefits that come out of the product, and they are an improved feed conversion ratio, prevention of necrotic enteritis, as well as a reduced per kg live body weight cost. We manufacture this product in Brazil, and this is again GMP Plus certified. Next we have Activo Liquid, which is the another variant, and this is given through drinking water, again a blend of secondary plant compounds, essential oils and organic acids. This is an emulsified concentrate. It fights antibiotic resistance due to its unique mode of action, and again this is GMP Plus certified. And we are not just claiming without proof. Our concept of the proof of our concept is given through the numerous trials that we have both globally as well as trials done in India, and they ensure the three very important benefits that we get from Activo Liquid of the improved gut health, of efficacy against enteric pathogen, and a positive influence on the microbial balance. Final product, Master Saw Gold, which is a very unique product. This is a total toxin solution, and this works against both mycotoxins as well as bacterial toxins. But what good is a product without a unique service? And what is a good solution if it doesn't reach you in time? So we also ensure better profitability for our customer with a very innovative, real-time, one-of-its-kind, quick toxin testing service. We provide this service to our customers on the spot, and within 1 hour we give them results, giving the results of toxins in their samples. And we give them data regarding this, giving them the right inclusion rate for the toxin binder, which goes on to our data cloud on our website, and they can keep it for their records as well. So ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to know anything more about our goods, our products and our services, both Dr. Shirish Nigam, our Director South Asia, and myself are present here, and we would love to discuss about the same. I would just like to end with a very inspiring quote from Mr. Paul Westjohann, grandfather of Mr. Eric Westjohann. He says, The main reason for a company's success, as I see it, are mutual trust between the company and its business partners, with solid financing and hard work, which is combined with a modest lifestyle and driven by a strong sense of roots. With this quote, I would like to thank all of you for sparing your time and attention towards me. Thank you so much for this opportunity and have a nice evening. Thank you.
Thank you very much.